So first I'll weigh 2 eggs. And that's 114 grams. So I'll just give these a quick whisk. So now I want 114 grams of plain flour. Then I'm going to add that egg to that flour. And we'll mix that all together till we get a paste. Then we want 114 grams of milk. And we'll mix that up, but we'll add it gradual. We don't want to make it too watery. That looks about right. So we'll do that spoon test. And it coats back in my spoon nicely. So that should be about right. I'm going to put some oil in this pan. And then we'll get it in that air fryer and get it up to about 220 degrees. And that should be enough. We don't want to overdo it with oil. Meanwhile, I'll keep that in fridge. We'll get this pan in this air fryer. And I'll just put it on the lowest platform that there is. We'll set this for 220. And then we'll put it on 30 minutes heating, because we want to heat it up until that oil starts smoking. And then we need at least 15 minutes cooking time. And we'll come back to that in a little while. Well, this has been going for about 10 minutes now, so I think I'm just going to dump it in and see what happens. It did slightly sizzle as it went in. Hopefully it's going to be enough to make us a Yorkshire pudding. We'll see. Oh, there's definitely something happening. It's raised a little bit more on one side than it has other, but still it is making a giant Yorkshire pudding. So that top were cooked nicely. So what I've done is I've flipped it so we can get a good browning on that bottom as well. And I'd say at that, we're done.